Let's look at this question now. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a certain sum at the same rate of interest for the second year is 32 and for the third year is 66.56. Find the rate of interest in percentage. Okay. So the compound simple interest, I'm assuming the principal is P, right? And the rate of interest is R, correct? So every year simple interest would be R% of P, that is PR, right? And the compound interest in second year, right? Compound interest in 2 years. The difference between compound on a certain sim for the second year, right? So compound interest in second year would be the amount minus principal, right? So that would be compound interest in second year would be that amount is P times P times 1 plus R whole square. This would be the amount after second year minus the principal, right? That was in the second year, starting of second year, and that was P times 1 plus R, right? So you can write it as, if you take P common, I'm left with 1 plus R whole square minus 1 plus R. So if you take P times 1 plus R common, you are left with 1 plus R common, you are left with 1 plus R minus 1. 1 get cancelled, R. So it is PR 1 plus R. This is the compound interest in second year, right? Compound interest in third year would be, P1 plus R whole cube minus 1 plus R whole square, right? If I take P1 plus R whole square common, I'm left with 1 plus R. If I take this square common, I'm left with 1 plus R minus 1, and that is only R, right? So it would be P times, this is R square plus 1 plus 2R into R, right? PR into R square plus 1 plus 2R. Now, the difference between the simple interest for second year is 32, compound and simple. So PR 1 plus R minus PR, that is simple interest in second year. This difference is 32. So PR, if you multiply PR get cancelled, and you are getting the value of P square as 32. So this is your first equation. Now, second relation is the difference between third year's compound interest, that is PR, R square plus 1 plus 2R minus PR would be equal to 66.56. Now, PR get cancelled, and you are left with this PR get cancelled, and we are left with PR cube plus 2PR square, right? And that would be equal to 66.56. So I can take PR square common. So I'm left with, if I take PR square common, so I'm left with R plus 2. And that is equal to 66.56. I know the value of PR square as 32. Put this value here. So you get R plus 2 as 66.56 divided by 32, right? So that would be equal to, I can cancel them with 4, right? Or 8. Yes, I can cancel them with 8. 8 4 times 32, 8 times is 64. 8 3 times 24, 2 times is 16. 4 2.08, right? So R would be equal to 0.08. What does that mean? Our percentage would be 8%. So the rate of interest would be 8%.